This is a wood gas stove. Wood gas stoves often need a windscreen to stop the wind from blowing out the flame. In this case, I've used a pocket bellows to simulate the effect of the wind. Then I use a ferro rod and a striker to drop white hot sparks onto the smoke, igniting the flame again. This usually works so long as there is lots of smoke and there's also some unused fuel in the bottom of the stove. This technique often stops working near the end of the burn cycle when there's only coals left. A ferro rod is a great way to relight a smoking wood gas stove. This is why I often prefer a ferro rod over matches when lighting these stoves. Wood gas stoves are nice because they let you use wood, but you get a result that's almost similar to burning gas. It's almost smokeless. This is very convenient. I make sure that I drop the sparks right on top of the smoke. This seems to work best. Wood gas stoves are highly efficient because you're burning the smoke and the gases. A little bit of fuel goes a long way. Thanks for watching and have a great day.